All right, I've been hearing from some investors and a little bit on social media that the multifamily market may not be doing so well. Let me show you a number that ends that conversation. Now, over the last 12 months, all apartment complexes over 10 units, market rate, student, and affordable combined, northern half of Florida, trailing 12 months, we've done $2.46 billion, which is a 44% jump over the prior 12 months before that. Now, that's not a market just sitting on its hands. That's a lot of capital being poured into these markets right here. And by the way, that nearly $2.5 billion was done over in an increasing number of transactions, 118 sales, and almost 16,000 units. So if you've been waiting for proof that the bottom is behind us, this is what it looks like in the data, not the headlines. So listen, if you own multifamily in the northern half of Florida and you're on the fence about maybe coming to market to sell, I can tell you the buyers are definitely in the market. I would encourage you to give me a call or call your own multifamily broker, have them do a valuation on it, and see if it makes sense to come to market. I'll see you guys in the next one.